The data center company from Ekaterinburg in Russia is engaged in the automation of bank technologies. It has developed a whole line of technical solutions covering storage, transportation, counting, and sorting of large quantities of cash. Automation of technological processes increases their reliability and safety. Work conditions improve, efficiency of operations increases, the production area is used to its full extent. The developments are conducted in cooperation with the Chief Directorate of the Central Bank of Russia for the Sverdlovsk district. The racks and containers system is designed to store large quantities of cash. The racks are mounted in safe deposits. Valuables are stored on racks in light and durable aluminium containers. Each container is equipped with a microchip, which has a 16 kilobit non-volatile memory with information on the container's contents. Besides that, the microchip checks if the container's cover is open or closed. Information on the contents is entered into the memory of a container as soon as it is filled. Containers are stored in the racks. Each cell in the racks has a special electronic device whose contacts are connected to contacts on the bottom of a container as soon as it is placed into the cell. The cells make up a storeroom micro-network connected to the computer network. As long as containers remain stored in cells, their state is checked at a rate of 3 times per second. If a container is removed, the central computer gets informed about it immediately and displays a corresponding message on the screen. The same happens if a container cover opens. Thus, the storeroom remains under control continuously. Storing data on the contents of a container to its memory increases reliability and safety of the system. Containers are transported with lifters. Semi-automatic lifters are equipped with industrial PCs connected to the storeroom network over wireless infrared links. Thus, the state of containers is checked continuously, even during transportation. A distributing device allows the lifter to reach into all cells. Upon receiving a command from the central computer over infrared links, the lifter begins to move along the aisle. All along the way, the lifter counts bays and halts at a specified place. The container is lifted to a necessary height. The distributing device rotates the container and places it into the cell. The placement is considered accurate if connection between the container and the cell's contacts is established. Over the micro-network, the central computer is informed that the container is placed correctly and informs the lifter that the task is completed. After that, the lifter returns to its initial position. The system operator's workstation allows the user to retrieve all kinds of information on storeroom contents and to view plans of the racks where container contents are indicated with different colors. The valuables are accepted in deposit and delivered strictly according to requirements. There are diaries of personnel actions and container states for any period. The software supports integration of safety and access control facilities into the system. For transportation inside the storeroom, there are special technological trolleys. On trolleys, the containers are under control, just like on the racks. All changes in the states of containers are stored by the trolley's controller, and later on, this diary can be read with the help of a special program. Trolleys loaded with containers can be put into trucks and transported to another storeroom. Moreover, the trolleys can be united into a micro-network and used as racks. For fast counting and quality sorting of banknotes stored in containers, on the instructions of the Chief Directorate of the Central Bank of Russia for the Sverdlovsk district, the sorting machine BARS was developed. The theoretical basis for this development was the Universal Pattern Recognition and Data Analysis System that had been created by then. The main difference of this machine from others is the use of CCD linear cameras to obtain high-resolution, full-size pictures of each banknote in both visible and infrared spectra. The machine is designed to sort banknotes into those which are fit for circulation or unfit and suspect, that is, having protection faults. The use of CCD linear cameras also allows the operator to easily adjust the machine for a new banknote specimen. The machine was named BARS, Banknote Analysis Recognition Sorting. Lightweight and compact size, allowing the user to install the machine on any table. On the back of the machine, there are both parallel and serial ports for a mouse, a printer, and a standard disk drive. The machine can be interactively communicated with through a usual PC display and keyboard in any language. The machine is connected to a conventional mains socket. It is user-friendly and modern-looking. A batch of banknotes is put into the hopper from the right on a height that is convenient for the operator. Inside the machine, the banknotes move along the transport path at a speed of 7 notes per second. Along this path there are CCD linear cameras, an ultraviolet sensor, an ultrasound sensor for double or stuck together notes, a sensor for tears and adhesive tape, and path sensors. The design of the machine's electronic part makes it easy to install new sensors and devices in the mechanical section. Banknote images are analyzed for authenticity and fitness on the basis of the Universal Pattern Recognition and Data Analysis System developed by Data Center. The machine has 3 output pockets with stackers. If necessary, a module with additional pockets can be attached. Fit banknotes are sorted into the right pocket. Unfit into the middle one. Among indications of unfitness are holes, tears, missing corners, departure from standard dimensions, adhesive tape, soil on the face and reversive note, such as inscriptions, blots, fatty stains, departure from standard colors, or crumpled paper. The left pocket is reserved for suspect notes, that is, notes of other denominations, notes with protection faults, incorrectly orientated notes, notes with turned-down corners or stuck-together corners. At the operator's request, the machines can give an explanation about every note. Italian 1,000 lira notes are to be sorted. The operator selects a necessary denomination from the menu. The sample contains banknotes that are fit or unfit and have another denomination. 1 or 2 batches are put into the hopper, and the feeder's aligning plates adjust themselves automatically for the necessary width. Minimal and maximal tolerable banknote width can be 50 to 94 millimeters, or length 100 to 180 millimeters. This range allows the machine to process various currencies worldwide. The notes are sorted into 3 pockets. In the right pocket, the fit notes. In the middle pocket, the unfit notes. They're soiled, have adhesive tape, tears, fatty stains. In the left pocket, there are 2,000 lira notes. You can see a high-quality counterfeit note of the value of 50,000 rubles. The manufacturing process used for this note is offset printing. Let us insert this counterfeit note and several notes of another denomination into this batch. In the right pocket, fit authentic banknotes. There is a special expert mode. In this mode, the note images in the visible and infrared spectra are displayed on the screen with departures from the specimen patterns. On the screen at the moment, an infrared picture of the counterfeit note. Departures from the standard are marked red. The counterfeit note and different denominations are sent to the left suspect pocket. Unfit notes landed in the middle pocket. Usually, banknotes with the slightest indication of unfitness must be sorted out, but sometimes a little soiled notes are to be considered fit. To adjust a necessary sorting level, use a convenient graphics interface. BARS registers all indications of unfitness, but sorts notes according to the current adjustment. This is a new note, but it's considered unfit because of the small ink cross on the white field. Let us decrease the sorting level and allow the machine to ignore small, dirty areas. Let us repeat the sorting. This time, the note with the cross has gone to the fit pocket. The unfit pocket only contains sufficiently soiled notes. BARS can be adjusted by a representative of data center to currencies of any country. The adjustment does not require any mechanical changes, just a change in software. Let us see how the machine processes South African notes of the value of 10 rand. Let us insert several notes of other denominations into the batch. The sorting is completed. In the right pocket, there are notes fit for circulation according to the current sorting level. The notes of different denominations are sorted into the left pocket just as they should have been. The middle pocket contains unfit notes. They have soil, inscriptions, tears. Data center supplies all necessary services, such as delivery to any destination, consultations on installation and putting into operation, complete technical documentation, consultations for operator and service staff, fast spares delivery, adjustments to new specimen banknotes. Thus, it is a start-to-finish technology that implies automation of storage, accepting, transportation, counting, and sorting of valuables. This technology is efficient and safe. It reduces manual labor. When this technology is used, all technological requirements are strictly met and full order in storerooms is ensured. Data centers' technical and software solutions ensure a closed-circuit automated technology for storage and the flow of valuables. Our address is PO Box 176, 620012, Ekaterinburg, Russia.